get our second loaf going. Okay, I'm going to do a real light water glaze on this one. And we'll do a real easy scoring. I think I'll do a hashtag scoring. And maybe I'll put a little bit of something in the middle. Can get in there. Okay, so put that in the oven and we'll bake it up. Hey, our dough should be done. It's looking beautiful. These are 70% hydration sourdough breads, and I use the do nothing method. The one on the left looks a little bit more shiny because I put a little butter on the crust. I did a long warm fermentation, and that really helps to get the sour in the sourdough. And that's what this particular experiment's all about, and that is to have a nice, tangy, sour sourdough like the San Francisco sourdough. The tangy aspect of sourdough actually develops over time. So when you take it out of the oven right away, it can be a little bit tangy, but after a few hours, it's even more tangy. And by the next morning, it will even be more sour. You will find that the next morning is the best time to gauge how sour your bread really is. So let's slice into this bread and see how it looks. 70% hydration, low inoculation, extreme ferment. That is a very lovely looking crumb. It's still pretty soft and it's slightly warm. So I probably shouldn't be cutting it yet. Okay, I'm really liking that. It's a very nice looking crumb. It's not meant to be a large holy crumb. So this is just perfect. I'm really happy with it. And I'm going to go ahead and taste it, see if it's sour. Like I said, the sour will develop over time. So hopefully it's just moderately sour right now. I would like to have it not too sour later. Oh yeah, it's already got the nice tangy flavor to it. I love the deep sours. That is really delicious. The crumb is really soft, but chewy. It's got a nice tangy. And it's only been, about 2 hours out of the oven. So it's going to develop even a stronger flavor later. So let's slice this bread up and see how it looks on the inside. There's our San Francisco sourdough. We'll have to see how sour it is later too. It will get more sour as it sits. It's got a nice fine crumb. And it came out looking just like a San Francisco sourdough. Experimenting is so much fun, and I do expect you to do some experimenting with this bread. You might want to increase the temperature a little and shorten the ferment, or cool it down a little and extend the ferment. And I have some other suggestions in the formula so that you can experiment with this dough. The whole object, though, is to have a lot of fun.